Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in this daily analysis video. So a brutal fall continues in Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as across the market, and now I have started to see some kind of a fear on traders, investors' face. Right now the sentiments have changed, and after a fall of about 3000 points, right, at this point people have started to lose hope, and probably that is the time when you can say that intermediate or interim bottom is near in sight. Yesterday I suggested that hourly and daily charts are suggesting that the indices are moving towards oversold zone, but it was a relentless selling today. Nifty is closing somewhere around 23,600 and Bank Nifty is closing somewhere around 50,290. I think after settlement it has closed somewhere around 50,088 is what the expectation is. Now on this hourly chart you can see that the zone, the consolidation, which I was so many days I was considering this as a strong or outperformance from Bank Nifty, finally it has broken today. Now here the greater possibility is that this is just a fake breakdown, and tomorrow immediately the price might get inside the zone, again inside this particular zone. In that case we might see a good reversal from here. Let's not get into anticipation. My today morning's message in fact suggested the same thing. I mentioned that Nifty range is 24,000 to 25,700 and the Bank Nifty range is 51,000 to 53,000. Amid sell-off on CPI data, inflation is higher. On that news yesterday there was a selling in Indian markets, and anticipating the higher CPI inflation data, even US market was in a selling mode. Now today's daily candle will be important. We may see a positive price action, was my expectation. It never happened, but I mentioned that I will avoid timing the bottom for market as it creates bias, and for intraday trades we don't need any kind of a bias. Trend is good enough, right? So this was one of my message in the morning. The follow-up thing is avoid timing the market. One may always trade for intraday trades based on setup. Positional view only when Dow theory changes. 23,800 may provide interim support to market. I will be watchful for today and tomorrow. So the week closes tomorrow, and as expected the trending move has taken place. Instead of a bullish trending move, it has gone deep inside about 1,500 points in case of Bank Nifty from Monday onwards, right? So it's a brutal fall. Tomorrow's day will be crucial because it is going to be a last trading session for the week, and we'll get to know how the market is going to react to this. Now moving on to Nifty chart. So Nifty weekly chart, the important support level, all this is broken, and we are right now below 23,800 odd level, and right now we are sitting at 23,602 where the closing right now is. On daily time frame it's a oversold territory, so at least for a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, a bounce is possible. Also more importantly, the entire fall, if you take a look, this entire fall, there is no meaningful bounce in this entire fall, right? So there has to be a bounce which can be probably up to 50% of this entire fall, and then maybe the downtrend may continue or it can just move in an upwardly manner. That we are not sure at this point in time, and then there is no point in saying something that we are not sure of. So right now the only thing that I feel is that after such a vicious fall, if the risk and reward is in favor, then it is in favor of bulls. So if this, let's say if this low holds, and if we get, if you see that the market is in a buying state tomorrow, if it is bullish positive tomorrow, in that case maybe after the weekly close or on a Monday we'll get an opportunity to buy. Now it does not mean that if I get a green candle over here I'm going to go and buy immediately. See, many a times it happens so that we create or we have a bias, but then it is the setup when the Dow theory changes, when you get a buy signal which is generated, then and only then we get an opportunity to enter the trade. So having a view is one aspect, but getting a follow-up to trade will be most important aspect for any particular trade in this current phase. Now if we are looking at Bank Nifty, I have added an option chart today. This is a sentimental thing because today is the last weekly expiry for Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, when these weekly expiry started in 2017, that was a period I was most comfortable with Bank Nifty, and it is still today. Even if, let's say, weekly expiries of Bank Nifty stops from here onwards, someday I feel that it should again restart. We should get to see Bank Nifty weekly expiries again. I hope so that sometime in near future we'll get to see Bank Nifty expiries. But here the setup was pretty simple. On a 15-minute chart, the 51,000 put option, which is like at the opening price, it was somewhere around 51,000. So this is where I'm talking about. This is where the opening of today's Bank Nifty action. And looking at here, I got two trades in this. First trade we got in this particular candle, right? And the second trade I got in this particular rally. So two trades, small position sizing, but it has delivered amazingly. So this is simply, I'm just suggesting you that whenever we get an opportunity, I love to trade breakouts. In case of Bank Nifty, I'll try to adapt with probably Sensex or probably with Nifty, but then it is fun trading Bank Nifty, guys. What is your opinion? How you used to love Bank Nifty, or which index is comfortable to you? Please write to me in the comment box so that I'll know whether I'm the only one who used to love Bank Nifty a lot, because this is an amazing index, and even if there is a monthly expiry, I will still prefer to trade in Bank Nifty only. So this was one fantastic couple of trades for the day, and now I expect that after such a great momentum, we should get some kind of a buying, and some retracement should be there, and that retracement will take us probably to in a equilibrium space, somewhere close to around 52,000 odd, or 51,500 at least to begin with, and then we'll review it accordingly. So for tomorrow, I don't have great targets, because see, whenever the trending move is happening, whenever the momentum is there is no point in betting against the momentum. You have to understand this. So if the trend is in a downtrend, so we have to follow that downtrend. If you're not sure about the particular move, or the momentum, or the target of about the particular move, then you stick to a smaller position sizing, and that way it makes a lot of sense, because with couple of lots or 5 lots, you stand to make great gains in such a vicious moves. So you have to keep these things into mind and focus on the chart price action, and that gives you amazing clarity when you are trading intraday, right? So keep these things in mind. See you tomorrow, or maybe see you on Friday, because that will be a weekly episode for Market Kya Lagta Hai. So maybe instead of tomorrow, we'll take a day off and resume the Market Kya Lagta Hai weekly episode on Friday or Saturday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.